just finished setting up the little studio thingy stuff for my bedroom. It's looking awesome. Honestly, it's amazing having this new light right here. I have another light right here on my desk. This light in the back, which just lights my back up and makes me stand out from the background. And I got these two new shelves here, and it just looks amazing. And I'm ready to do some videos. So I got everything set up. I know everything, how everything works, and I'm gonna still be learning along the way, of course, but I got a better understanding of everything. So let's do this. Creative vlog number 1. Let me just set that thing up on the tripod and put that to 50 millimeters, and yeah, hopefully this works. I forgot to put my mic on. Now it's gonna probably sound a lot better just because syncing the audio, and then everything is just so much better because I'm using this Blue Yeti microphone. And yeah, so you can see my little rim light here. That's my desk lamp in the back. Got the 2 shelves set up especially just for YouTube. It's a little decoration as well, but mostly for YouTube, just showcasing some stuff, so like boxes and like plants and random stuff right there. And yeah, the new big lamp, the softbox with the grid on, looks amazing. Honestly, it's just so, I'm so grateful to have all of this stuff. Even this little new light, I mean, it's so nice. Like, look at this. I can even do the police thing, like a police effect. Look at that. So I can just be like, oh my god, there's the police. Yeah, so let's get back to serious stuff. Gonna put that back there, and it even lights up like my microphone from the side. Like, I don't know, but this just little glow looks so amazing. And you can see my screen, so if I'm showing you guys some stuff right there, it just looks so cool, so freaking cool. And yeah, so that's and even the little candle in the back. Yeah, I mean, isn't it amazing? Like, I've set that up all by myself. And yeah, so creative vlog number 1. I'm putting myself into this because I think that it's gonna bring me so much value in the end. And I think that by putting my word out there and just uploading consistently, it's gonna help me so much to just get better at public speaking, at talking just to a camera, and just to make myself more confident as a designer as well. And so there might be not a lot of people watching this. I really don't care. It's gonna be something that I'll be doing regularly. So I know in the past few weeks I've said I'm gonna be uploading consistently, and I haven't done so. Now I'm getting more into it. I've got everything set up, so it's a lot easier for me to put just content out there. Just need to turn the light on, turn the camera on, and then just press record and get started. So I don't have it's pretty stress-free process, and as well, like the editing stuff, it's super easy just because I've got used to the tools in the past few years, in the past few months as well. Just working with my camera to get the colors right is not something that's easy to do, but yeah, I've got everything is set up and it's gonna be amazing. So that is just a little quick update to show you guys the setup, show you guys everything. If you want me to do a video about how I really set up the lights and how it affects what you guys see, the image, then let me know in the comment section down below, because that's something that I would be interested in doing as well. I'm thinking of doing just a video on how to make your audio sound better. I know that these little things are things that people starting out like me are struggling with, and just by getting these things right, it makes you feel so much better in front of a camera. Just speaking and talking in front of a camera is something that's not easy when you first start out, and just having to mess with all of these things really doesn't help. So just by doing these kinds of little videos, it's gonna help me out, it's gonna help you guys out, and yeah, so that's my lighting setup. Now I'm currently working on my new website. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna actually let's do this. I'm gonna open up Webflow and show you guys. Currently learning Webflow. It's a new tool for me. I've used it a bit in the past. Let me just open up the screen recorder and I'll show you guys around. It's currently being built, so it's really not final, but I've went through a couple of iterations in the past few months. That was my original planning. I was using a template, and it was just Webflow. I bought a template and was doing it like that. It was great, but I think that I wanted to really get my feet inside of the water and really get to know Webflow, because I'm that kind of person that just likes to learn a bunch of cool new things. And so by getting my feet wet and really getting inside of Webflow, it's gonna help me, I think, as a designer, and maybe in the future I'll be able to build websites for people. And so yeah, that was my original one. I can show you a little bit if it wants to load. Yeah, so that was my original one. There was an animation on the above, and then it was just like companies I've worked with. I was gonna change the logos. I didn't end up doing that. As I said, this was just a prototype, just me playing around with the application to get to know it. These were a few of my clients. And then an image of one of my projects, and then I was gonna have a blog right there and just gonna you know, talk about design stuff and just update on things that I was doing. And yeah, so that was my plan, and it was pretty great. Like, I was showing up some logos and some projects that I did, and I had some stuff in the portfolio section as well, where I was showing some projects that I did with Rise. So for example, Boxing Day 2019, and then if you click on it, it just loads up, and then right now it was just images, because I was like, I'm gonna do just like a Behance presentation basically, but on my website. So it was pretty self-explanatory and pretty straightforward. But yeah, that was the first prototype of my website, my new website. But I decided to not go with Clomarmic again, and even by doing this YouTube channel, I didn't want to go with Clomarmic. Wanted to go with just my name, because it's easier for people to recognize, and I think that moving forward, I'd like people to recognize myself just by my name. I think it's just easier, and it's much better for the future. But now, the thing you've been waiting for, the website, the new one. So 2021 website. This is the website that I'm currently working on. It's gonna be my new portfolio, my new house, the new space where I'm just gonna be putting out some content and some value for you guys, and as well just putting myself out there and building a strong platform for me to put my word out there and teach the business of design. And so this is it. William A. Ebert, just because my name is super long, and I think shortening it a little is better for people to still remember my name. Then you have Creative Athlete, because I think that I'm a graphic designer, but it sounds so much better since I'm working in the sports industry that I'm a creative athlete. And so this is what I'm gonna be calling myself and you guys. So if I'm addressing you guys by creative athletes, then I mean graphic designers. But yeah, that's just our our term to talk to ourselves. And so yeah, creative athlete, and then just a picture of myself that I'm probably gonna be retaking and changing because I'm not a huge fan of it. It's nice, but yeah, I'm gonna probably change it. Then the button, which doesn't have another animation yet, and then when you scroll, you can see that there's some kind of parallax things going on, which is pretty nice. Right now it's a bit laggy, I'm not sure why. Maybe if I turn off OBS, yeah, maybe that's a lot better. I'm sorry about that. I hope it wasn't too laggy before that. But yeah, I'm still learning. And so designer, creator, and probably gonna add some stuff there. But then you have, I really wanted to go for a minimalistic theme, so going with a simple dark color palette to really make my work shine through the website. And so when you scroll down, so my goal with this platform is really to show my work as well as bring you guys some resources to help you in your designs and in your journey of becoming a better designer. I also want to connect some people together. I know there's plenty of places for that, but I think that yeah, doing this together and just learning as a whole team is so much cooler and more motivational than learning by yourself and just trying to look up content online and all of that. So and that's my platform right now. Explore my work. There's right now the proportions are really not good. It's being built, so like I'm probably gonna up the size of these covers. They're all gonna have some kind of zoom thingy, and then when you click on them, you're gonna be able to see the project like on the other website that I've shown you before. And then just about me, I'm probably gonna play around with that. I was gonna put some lines here, so maybe like 2 lines on this side. But yeah, some brands I've worked with, I'm gonna add some more. It was really just me playing around. And then the footer, you can sign up to the newsletter to be notified when I post some cool stuff, some new resources for you guys. And so that's the platform. It's currently being built, so don't look it up online. There's no link down below. I mean, probably I'll buy a domain in a few days, and if I did, I'm just gonna put it down below, and it's probably gonna be like page under construction. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated once this project goes further and I have some updates on that. But it's gonna be done pretty soon. I think in the next 2 weeks or so, it should be pretty done with. But as I said, I'm learning Webflow, so I'm like learning a new tool and trying to build my own platform. So I'm gonna do my best to put it out as soon as possible, but it may take a few more weeks or a few more days. I have no clue. But if any of you know Webflow and want to help me out with my website, make sure to reach me. Honestly, it would be awesome to get some feedback, or yeah, even getting some feedback on whether you guys think it's a great place for me to put some content. And yeah, so this is about it for the website thingy that I'm doing, the new website, the new platform and everything. But yeah, I'm also planning on doing a TikTok and doing an Instagram, so that I really just put myself out there, put myself in different platforms as well, to really get my name out there, get some stuff to you guys, and really help you guys out in your journey as a graphic designer. So this is it for creative vlog number 1. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is just a little update of
my new setup for YouTube, as well as this new platform that I'll be doing in the near future. And I'll keep you guys updated on that. I'm gonna be uploading probably tomorrow as well. Just another update on what I'll be working on. Maybe just a day in the life of a graphic designer or something like that. Maybe that's something that would be interesting. Just what I do in a normal day. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to push that thumbs up button down below and to subscribe to my channel to know when I upload. And until next time guys, stay creative.